Well, good morning all y'all carpers. Welcome to another edition of Carping with Scammers. Scammers on the river today. Finally. Conditions are right, the river's down at a good level, and hopefully we'll get some bigger fish today, maybe some 20s, maybe some 30s. We shall see. Stay tuned. This is my setup here. I'm set up on a gravelly beach here, and I had to use my pod today because I wouldn't be able to get my dank sticks in here. But hopefully this place has produced some good fish before, and hopefully it'll do good today. Jigger Jim is supposed to come down, meet with me, but he probably won't be here till about 9 o'clock. It's 6:30 now. My rods are set up. I got to spot out a little bit of corn, and I'll be there. Hang on. First fish of the day. Nice. Settle down here, buddy. Settle down, nice. First fish of the day comes in at 16 pounds even. Nice. Say hello to the folks. Oh, yeah. Clone Valley corn stacks, they work. More fish to come. Stick around. Don't go away. I told you to stick around. Number 2 is on the bank. And number 3 is in the cradle. Have a little double action here. This one here, 15 pounds and 4 ounces.
There you go.
I'm back with the second one of the double, and Jigger Jim just arrived, helping me out here. And this one here is a nice little short fatty here. It goes 16 pounds and 15 ounces. Say hi. Oh.
Where'd you go?
Okay. Are you ready?
He's on.
Well, all y'all carpers, here's number 4. And he clocks in on the scale here at 15 pounds and 2 ounces. Stick around, there's more to come. It's early yet. Hey carpers, I got number 5. And he is 14 pounds, 4 ounces. And if you look right behind Now, do you want to see that one? Jimmy's got number 6. A nice fat 14-pounder.
Gotta go, gotta go. You're good.
Well, carpers, got number 7 here. 11 pounds and 4 ounces. And it is now 10 minutes to 11. So we're not doing bad. Stick around. Maybe we can see some more fish here today. I know you will.
You're on. I put my hand over for a while.
Well, carpers, number 8 is here. Number 8 comes in at a nice 18 pounds, 4 ounces. A lot of beauty. We want to make 20, but whether we will or not, don't know. I'm on. Jigger Jim says I'm on. Here's number 9. 12 pounds even. We're doing good. We're shooting for maybe 20 fish. We may make it, we may not. Stick around, don't go away.
Look at that you ever seen, huh? You know what we've seen? Were you guys down here when it got iced over? Like all the ice, I don't know if you're from around here, but all the ice split and it got piled up on the bank. We've seen 3 of those, 4 or 5 of those about that size.
You're on camera.
That got laid up on the bank.
You're wasting soul.
So I don't. They're about that size. They get man.
Well, carpers.
Hey, look, he's taking a video.
There's number 10. And he goes 14 pounds, 12 ounces. Say hi. Hi. Are we on, Jim?
You're good.
Okay, carpers. Finally made a 20. We got a 22, 14 here. And number 11. Nice fish. Say hi.
Oh.
Is that on?
Yeah, you're good.
Well, carpers, this makes an even dozen. This one here is 15 pounds and 2 ounces. We're on fire here.
I don't know how this goes back in the bag, so.
Well, carpers, I got number 13 here. 13 is supposed to be a bad luck number, but this time 13 turned out to be a mirror. How about that? First mirror I caught out of this part here ever is 14 pounds, 0 ounces.
You're on.
Yeah?
Yawn. Yep. Ice fish.
There you go, carpers. Number 14, we finally got away from 13. This one is 20 pounds and 6 ounces. And he said he loves you.
Looking forward to the video. You just gotta put it on CAD, right?
Yeah. Well, carpers, 12 hours, start at 6:30, and it's 6:30 now. Between me and Jim, we got 14 fish in 12 hours, so that's not bad. We got a couple over 20. Can't complain. So, until next time, keep looking. When you see carp with scammer, get on it. And if you don't know Jigger Jim, That's that character right there. Wyoming County hillbilly.
No, it's Susquehanna.
Oh, Susquehanna County. Excuse me. But we're getting ready to boogie. Nice place, nice fish.